So my sky's kind of looking all right here. I like this. So all these colors are running together, and cerulean blue especially does what's called granulation. And that's where little pieces of ink, not ink, but pigment, run together and they make little pebbly, textural kind of areas. So that can be quite nice. That is happening there. And it is kind of a characteristic of cerulean blue. So the thing to do, I like this painting, I'm coming along with it. When you're painting, any painting, don't think, oh gosh, I made a mistake, I'm going to quit and do it over. Watercolor hardly ever looks good until the end. It's my opinion. It doesn't look good until you're right at the bottom of the painting, not the bottom, but the end. Then it starts to look pretty good. So over here, maybe we've got a little more color going on. That's blue. I want to get back to this lavender. This lavender is being a great color for me today. I'm going to put a little stronger, maybe too strong. Is that?